If you for one reason or the other are still actively using CentOS 8, you might probably have encountered the following error when trying to update your system or simply install a package. Error: failed to download metadata for repo Appstream, cannot prepare internal mirrorlist, no URLs in mirrorlist. For example, in the screenshot that follows, I was trying to run DNF update and ran into this error. So, what is the cause of this error? You may well be aware that CentOS-Linux 8 died a premature death. It reached the end of life, EOL, on December 31, 2021, thus, it no longer receives development resources from the official CentOS project. This means that after December 31, 2021, to update your CentOS installation, you are required to change the mirrors to CentOS Vault Mirror where they will be archived permanently. To fix the above error, open your terminal or login via SSH, and run the following commands to change the repo URL to point to vault.centos.org from the official CentOS repos. Here we use the said commands to edit the required directives or parameters in the repo configuration files. Sed I, s mirrorlist g, etc. yum.repos.d CentOS dash. Sed I, s basurl equals http, mirror.centos.org basurl equals http, vault.centos.org g, etc. yum.repos.d CentOS dash. You can find these commands in the description below. Alternatively, you can also point to the Cloudflare-based Vault repository by running the following commands. Sed I, s mirrorlist g, etc. yum.repos.d CentOS-Linux -*. Sed I, s basurl equals http, mirror.centos.org basurl equals http, vault.apple.cloud g, etc. yum.repos.d CentOS-Linux -*. Now you should be able to update CentOS or install packages without any error. That's all. We hope that this guide helped you fix the above aforementioned error. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.